At Earth Insights Academy, a groundbreaking geological find is transforming our understanding. Our journey starts with you. Welcome to our Tectonic Plates training. Understand tectonic plates' impact on geology. Learn the historical context of the Farallon Plate. Explore the significance of the Pioneer Fragment. Recognize the role of the Mendocino Triple Junction in seismic events. Let's delve into key topics and protective measures. Tectonic plates are massive sections that shape the Earth and cause seismic phenomena. Understanding movement. Recognize patterns of tectonic shifts and their consequences. Action. Observe local seismic activity and report unusual tremors. The Farallon Plate is significant for its historical role in shaping North America's geology. Contextual insights. Examine how it contributed to present-day plate configurations. Action. Study related geological maps for better comprehension. The Mendocino Triple Junction is pivotal in understanding seismic risks. Seismic awareness. Identify earthquake patterns originating from this junction. Action. Engage with local preparedness resources to stay informed. The Pioneer Fragment reshapes our understanding of plate interactions. Research techniques. Utilize new data to revise existing geological models. Action. Support ongoing seismic research projects in your area. Now let's test our knowledge with real-world scenarios. You feel a sudden tremor. What should you do next? Stay informed. Evaluate the intensity and duration of the tremor. Your action should be: secure an area and prepare for potential aftershocks. A news alert warns of a possible earthquake. How do you respond? Stay prepared. Review your emergency plans and supplies. If the warning escalates, ensure you have a safe location to take cover. Remnants of the Farallon Plate still influence seismic events. Awareness of tectonic movements is vital for safety. Emerging discoveries can reshape geological risk assessments. If you found this video informative, like, subscribe, and share with others curious about Earth's mysteries. Thank you for joining our Earth Insights Academy training.